Introducing iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus Self-Emptying Robot Vacuum and Mop, a cutting-edge solution that revolutionizes household cleaning with its powerful combination of vacuuming and mopping capabilities. With the same advanced technology found in the popular Roomba J7 Plus vacuum, this innovative robot seamlessly transitions between cleaning modes to deliver comprehensive cleaning on all floor types. Boasting intelligent features such as dirt detect technology and autonomous bin emptying, this robotic vacuum and mop takes the hassle out of maintaining a pristine home environment. Let's delve deeper into its features and performance to discover how it elevates the standard of automated cleaning. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Powerful vacuuming and mopping technology. This robotic vacuum and mop bring together the renowned vacuuming power with added mopping functionality, offering a comprehensive solution for keeping your floors spotless. With a simple switch of the bin, this versatile machine transitions seamlessly from vacuuming to mopping, ensuring efficient cleaning for both hard floors and carpets. Number 2. Comprehensive cleaning performance. Equipped with a potent 4-stage cleaning system, this robotic vacuum and mop tackles dirt, debris, and pet hair with remarkable efficiency. Its advanced technology ensures that no speck of dust goes unnoticed, providing a thorough cleaning throughout your home. Number 3. Intelligent dirt detection. The proprietary dirt detect technology enhances cleaning precision by identifying dirtier areas and prioritizing them for deeper cleaning when the vacuum bin is in use. This targeted approach ensures that high-traffic zones receive the attention they need for immaculate results. Number 4. Autonomous bin emptying. Say goodbye to the hassle of frequent bin emptying with this robotic vacuum and mop. This innovative robot automatically empties its bin into a convenient enclosed bag, allowing for up to 60 days of uninterrupted cleaning. It's a true set and forget solution for maintaining a pristine home environment. Number 5. Smart navigation and obstacle avoidance. This robotic vacuum and mop is equipped with intelligent sensors that enable it to navigate your home with precision, avoiding obstacles such as cords, pet toys, and furniture. This ensures worry-free cleaning and protects both your belongings and the robot itself from potential damage. Number 6. Customizable cleaning. Whether you prefer vacuuming, mopping, or both, this robotic vacuum and mop cater to your needs. With the included Roomba combo bin, switching between vacuuming and mopping modes is effortless, allowing you to adapt the cleaning process to suit your preferences. Number 7. App-controlled convenience. Through the iRobot Home app, users can create no-mop zones to prevent the robot from mopping carpets or other designated areas, ensuring they remain dry. This level of control enhances the overall cleaning experience and adds convenience to your daily routine. Number 8. High-performance mopping. The Roomba combo bin, when filled with water or a compatible cleaning solution, enables the robot to mop effectively using specialized microfiber pads. This ensures the removal of footprints, dirt, and dust, leaving your hard floors gleaming and free from residue. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 3.4 inches length by 13.3 inches width by 13.3 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus self-emptying robot vacuum and mop sets a new standard for robotic cleaning appliances, offering unparalleled convenience, versatility, and performance. With its powerful vacuuming and mopping capabilities, intelligent navigation, and innovative features like dirt detect technology and autonomous bin emptying, it provides a thorough and efficient cleaning while requiring minimal user intervention. Whether tackling pet hair, dirt, or spills, this advanced robot excels in delivering immaculate results across various floor surfaces. With this robotic vacuum and mop, Homeowners can enjoy the luxury of a perpetually clean home without sacrificing their valuable time and effort. It's truly a game changer in automated cleaning technology. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.